Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez from Martinez Art Lab. Today we're going to do symmetry using a coffee filter and markers. So you'll need a coffee filter, washable markers, a spray bottle with water, and the first thing we'll do is flatten our coffee filter. Then we're going to fold it in half, and I want you to take your finger and make a nice crease. So just kind of rub that crease in before you open it back up. Give it another flatten. And we've got our center of the coffee filter line. So it's going to be really easy to see when you're working with it yourself. It's a little tricky in the video. We're going to take our washable markers and we are going to make a pattern on half of our coffee filter. So I will go ahead and do that right now. Okay, we are going to show our symmetry now, and symmetry is all about our balance, right? Things on both sides will look the same. We've got a center line and the left and the right side look the same. So I'm going to fold my coffee filter in half. I'm going to make sure that creases, give that crease another good spray. And now I'm going to take my water bottle and spray my coffee filter. I want a nice even spray of water through the whole thing. Now to get the excess water off, I'll use a piece of paper, and I can make a print too, so kind of like a double project. So I've used a piece of mixed media paper, and now I have a print of my original design. And now here's my symmetry. I'm going to open my coffee filter, and I've got the same side of my left and my right. So I've created symmetry. You can see it a little better on this white paper. So here's my coffee filter symmetry. Have fun making yours.